Lines on a graph, they don't connect. The numbers crumble in a sec. 1+1, it breaks apart. The answer's gone, where do we start? Digits dancing off the page. Equations lost in digital haze. The math isn't there. It's static in the air. You can't have the 1%. Black out the 99%. The circuit's fried, the code's a joke. Every algorithm